Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from Coinbase Wallet to your Coinbase account in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Polkadot is a popular blockchain network, and moving your assets securely is key to managing your investments wisely. This process is simple, but always double-check for any updates from Coinbase, as things can change. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase wallet and a Coinbase account set up and verified. You'll need access to your Polkadot tokens in your wallet, and your Coinbase account should be ready to receive them. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone or accessing it via the web. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your asset dashboard. Next, select your Polkadot holdings. You'll see an option to send or withdraw. Tap on that. Now, enter the destination address. This is crucial. Copy the Polkadot address from your Coinbase account. To find it, log into Coinbase, go to your account settings, and locate the wallet address for Polkadot. Paste this address into the to field in your Coinbase wallet. Before you proceed, double-check the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the exact number of tokens, and don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network conditions. Once it's complete, head back to your Coinbase account and refresh your portfolio to see your Polkadot tokens arrive. Remember, always use secure connections and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Polkadot from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. It's a secure way to manage your crypto, but if you run into any issues, check Coinbase's help center or drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.